Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I bring you the second set of Beauty Big Bang's brand new stamping plates, Christmas stamping plates. These are the small round ones, as you can see here, and they go from 006 to 010, I should say. And just like the other video, you will see my swatching will involve doing designs for each one of these plates. Remember that I will have, as always, links down in the description bar below for you guys to go check them out. And also my discount code for 10% off across Beauty Big Bang is NAQ57. Now I will leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so that is all the swatches on these plates, and yes, as you noticed, I've been using the gel polishes that I have reviewed and swatched for you in previous videos. So I hope you guys are liking that. That is all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous stamping plates to play with and review. Remember that my code is NAQ57. That will save you 10% on their website. If you enjoyed this video and this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.